Hi guys, Kyung here, and we're here for the very last video in the Christmas in July collaboration. So I finished binding the journal and I, filled it with writing papers and stuff, and I thought we'd do a flip through. So I made a quilt for me and my husband about 2 years ago, a Christmas quilt, because, we love Christmas. And I asked my husband, what kind of quilt do you want me to make? And he said, I want a Christmas one. But this was a quilt block that was left over. And then I put some of this red, I just stitched some, because it wasn't quite big enough. And then I put some lace and some trim and stuff, and this little image of the little kids decorating the tree. So here's my end paper. I just used this like holly. So I had Matthew, my husband, look through the journal, and I was so happy. He actually really loved it, and he said that come December he was going to write in it, that he was going to help me fill it out, and he was going to write in it every day. I don't know if he'll keep to that every single day, but I thought that was so cool, and so I'm excited for that. Here's the second page, little journaling card, and then these are the pages I added. So these, and I just stitched around and just did some simple stuff, right? I glued on just this card and some scrap, and then this was an old a money carrier, right? Card, right, for a paper carrier, for a mail carrier. So I thought that was cute, so I left it in. I left that for the paper carrier in. So yeah, I just put in some writing papers, just places to write in, to journal in, to put pictures, whatever we want, come December. Here's the rest of that. Here's a special supplement holiday, a special holiday supplement just for you. And then right here, it said, put supplement here, and so I just put this instead. And I backed it because it said, American greeting cards or whatever, the company who made the card. I had a bunch of those. They were in a pack from the thrift store that I found. So if you hear any button mashing in the background, I apologize. That would be my husband playing video games. And the dog enjoying his bone. So anyway, yes, that goes in there. Here's my belly band. This comes out. Just a journaling card. More pages I added for journaling in. Just this cute little flip thing. This, I don't know, I thought I might put pictures here maybe. Lots of space to journal, just a fussy cut. See, here's insert here, right? This is another one of those cards, and it had American greeting cards on the back. So I put space to write, just more, pages, filler pages. Here's the other side to that envelope. I colored a little bit of red, and I kind of like the way it came out. It's kind of interesting, looks vintagey. Here's this journaling card, and this Christmas card. Here's my tree with my I really do love my ornaments. I don't particularly care for the tree, but I like the ornaments. The ornaments are cool. They were done with washi tape. More filler papers, right, to journal in. Another one of these cool cards, right? Insert gift here. This thing, I thought this was gorgeous. This came from a 12 Days of Christmas Graphics 45 paper pad, and that was just some scrap I had left over from last year. So I put fabrics and laces down the edges of a lot of the papers. Here's this page with just scrap. I've just put snippets right in there. This is another scrap from that Graphics 45 paper pad. Here's this journaling card, and I put this is a homemade card. I didn't make this card, but this I found in with my Christmas cards, and someone had made it at some point, so it's very pretty. I love it. Oh, here you go. Hand stamped by Danusia. Stampin' Up, huh? So it's a Stampin' Up card. Tradition. So there's my journaling card for that page. Here's where I'm going to put my like recipes and stuff. Recipes that I try, recipes that I love, all my cookie recipes and things. I put some blank ones in there for right now. So there's that. Another just filler pages. Ooh, I'm gonna have to deal with that. There's like something sticky on this. This is another one of these handmade cards I found in my stash of Christmas cards. So that's that. I just put like a little cluster thingy. I just glued this boy to this page, right? Little pockets that I put the rest of like the journaling cards that I didn't use in the kit. Here's the other side to that with the boy. I put the two little girls with the puppy. I love the puppy. More just, here's this, my gusseted pocket, right? I put more index cards in there. So there's that. Here's this journaling card. And what is the, oh yes, another handmade Christmas card I found in my stash. It doesn't have who made it, but it's cute, huh? I didn't make it, but someone did. It's very cute. Here's the one part to my watercolor page and space to write. Just more papers. This is like a wrapping paper. This is a Christmas card I put in as just an insert, you know. 2015. That's pretty, isn't it? That's the other side to that wrapping paper. And then here's this. This is the last page. And here's the last journaling card. I put a little pocket on this one with 3 little journaling cards that I didn't use in the rest of the journal. Nice. Stenciled the back. Put a Christmas card in, just like all the others. And that's it. And then on the back, just like as I said, I did the, see, I did this and I just stressed it. You open it up and you can still put a picture in there and you can write as well. And I just distressed it up and stuff. And that's it. That's the end of the journal. It turned into quite the thick one, as they do, don't they? I always like to have lots of space in the end to write anyway, so. But that's it. I just want to thank everyone again, truly, for participating in this amazing event that Teri, really Teri put so much work into organizing everything and getting, I mean, she really was the brains behind the whole event. So thank you, Teri. And thank you everyone who participated. I've been loving everyone's work. No pressure on if people aren't done yet or whatever. Things trickle into August, that's fine. But yes, thank you again. And it's been such a great, fun month and fun project. And I can't wait for till December to start actually filling it up. I think that that's going to be so much fun. So anyway, I hope you guys have a good day and talk to you later. Bye.